Do you need something to satisfy your loneliness this Valentine's Day? We've got you covered.
We're going to show you how to make raspberry chocolate chip cookies in just under 15 minutes. Here's what you'll need.
2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 sticks of butter, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half cup of raspberries, and 1 cup of chocolate chips.
First, preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you're going to combine the wet ingredients. This includes 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk. To separate the egg yolk, we use a water bottle by squeezing it over the egg yolk to transfer it into the bowl. And then 1.5 sticks of melted butter. Then give the wet ingredients a quick stir until it is uniform in color.
Now you'll add the dry ingredients. We'll start with 2 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, one cup of brown sugar, and finally 1/4 plus 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now you'll mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients until it turns into a dough.
Now you'll add half cup of raspberries and 1 cup of chocolate chips to the dough. Stir these ingredients into the dough well enough so that the raspberries begin to break up into pieces and the chocolate chips are well combined. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper and evenly place the dough on the pan in 2-inch balls.
Place your pan in the oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges begin to golden. Make sure to let them cool for about 5 to 8 minutes until removing them from the baking sheet. After trying them, we agree that they were delicious and will be the perfect addition to your table of Valentine treats this February.